Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
You bought from us a Bommer 7412, wasn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. And you're saying it doesn't work.
Well, what I'm saying is we had one on there before, which I think is the same one. I tried to buy the same one, and I'm not sure exactly how it. Thought it was a gravity hinge or something where it would return to the center point.
Right.
You know, so it wasn't just free swinging. And this one is free swinging, and I think your note said we might have installed it incorrectly. So I was just hoping to get a little intel on that.
Yeah. So, did you look at the template or the installation instructions that I sent?
I did, and I had the same one, and I looked at that, and I thought I did what it said, but maybe I screwed it up.
Okay. And do you have your photographs?
Yeah, I'm just pulling up the ones I sent you, yeah. Okay, there's the template. And there's the photographs, yep.
Okay. So when we look at, so this is a Bommer 7412. When we look at the template, it's really, really important to look at the top pivot and the clearance required there, 6.687, so 11/16. If you then look at your photograph, the one that ends in 4 or image 4,
yep,
you're gonna see that one does not equal the other.
4.
So what someone did was they put that top pivot tight to the top of the door, which calls into question the possibility that there was one there existing.
Oh, there definitely was. 100% there was, yeah.
Okay. But in your image, you can see that you don't have any margin between the top pivot. And that would only be the case when your door was basically at 90 degree, from the closed position, either, at 270 degree or at 90 degree. So what's happening there is, because it's a gravity pivot, what happens is when the door is pushed open, the entire door lifts up. It raises. You don't have any room. You haven't allowed for the lifting of the door from the top of the door in relationship to the top pivot. So when you go to push that door open, I bet as you do that, you're saying, "Oh, something doesn't seem right there. So it shouldn't be that hard to push." And it's because, and the way that it is able to self-close is understood in the title, the name of the thing. It's a gravity pivot. So it's the weight of the door that brings it back down. But in order to achieve that, the door must actually lift up. So if it's 18 inch off the floor at the closed position, it'll be 18 and, 5/8 when it's at 90 degree.
So we should have the 687 inches should be between the top of the door and kind of the underside of the bracket. Yeah, okay.
Yep. The jam portion.
Okay. Well, we sure missed that. We missed that. Okay, so then when I see what you're saying. So then it doesn't allow the travel. Okay. Well, let us give that a shot. Yeah, I think we did. We replaced the one that seized up over the winter, and 10 years on, we're right near the ocean. And I guess I just made the assumption it would just go right into the same spot, and obviously that's not the case. Maybe it's changed a little bit or whatever, but got it. We didn't follow the instructions. All right. Well, thank you very much. We'll give that a shot. Thanks for your help.
Well, I'm grateful to know that it's not only me who only goes to instructions after the fact. So
I did look at this. I will tell you, I clearly did not look at it close because I think I'm just replacing what's there, but no, I wasn't.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we know how to connect. I'm here. I'll be here till I'm 90. Call at any time.
Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate the help.
Thank you, sir.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.